गिरना भी अच्छा है, औकात का पता चलता है। बढ़ते हैं जब हाथ उठाने को तो अपनों का पता चलता है। जिन्हें गुस्सा आता है वो लोग सच्चे होते हैं, मैंने अक्सर झूठों को मुस्कुराते हुए देखा है। सीख रही हूँ मैं भी इंसानों को पढ़ने का हुनर, सीख रही हूँ मैं भी इंसानों को पढ़ने का हुनर। सुना है चेहरे पे किताबों से ज़्यादा लिखा होता है।
Now for English speech, I would like to call Mr. Hassan Syar.
Oh God, when I see and hear the sound of things you made, the trickling of water, the rustling of trees, the flickering of shadows, the song of thunder, I hear them saying that God is one, God is one, God is one. In the name of Allah, who is the most gracious and the most merciful, Rahman and Rahim. All my eminent, prominent, most venerable personalities and my respectable teachers, Assalamu alaikum. This is Hassan Syar and today my topic is beggars are not choosers. The magazine deals with the bare reality of life. Beggars depend on the alms of others. They are not in a position of dictating their terms to the alms givers. The alms might be in the form of a few token coins or a 10 rupee note. A beggar cannot force an alms giver to give him a 100 rupee note. Beggars are devoid of self-respect. They have to bear the terms of people. They are subjected to great humiliation. They don't feel small in extending their bowl of people. People call them names and they have silently to put up with them. Beggars thus are shown of self-esteem and dignity. This prevents them from having choices in life. Their only choice is begging. Once begging is adopted, it goes deep in the psyche of beggars. Even if some beggars are economically well off, they don't like to give up begging. Nations that develop the habit of begging in the foreign aid to raise the level of development find it in the long run to dispense with aid for one reason or the other. Debt self-employment rises which consume the large proportion of their budgetary resources. The inflow of foreign loans is offset by the servicing of loans which debtor countries have to pay. Most of the inflow of loans is utilized to pay off the external debt. Only a small percentage of aid is utilized to finance development projects. Top of all, they are enslaved permanently by the creditor developed countries, wish them to follow the formulation of the domestic policy. The poor countries willingly have to accept the conditionalities of the developed lender countries. They cannot dare to defy their wishes. The poor countries pressed under a heavy debt thus do not have independent will of their own. Hence, if Pakistan wishes to assert its will in the sphere of international relations, it must break the begging pause for all time to come. Beggary is an evil which robs an individual, a nation of its self-respect. We must depend on our internal strength. What we need is a dedicated leadership which can set the nation. I end my speech with these lines of poetry. पेरे उगाड़े छिनल चोलो, पेरे उगाड़े छिनल चोलो, रोंदड़ रोंदड़ कैंजी न्याणी, धारे नादो झोल चले थी, पंचन खे रात रही वन, धारे नादो झोल चले थी, पंचन खे रात रही वन, मुखा हिकड़ी गाल पुछमन, मुझी हिकड़ी गाल बुधियन, ए खुदा तू हेठ लइया, आओ घड़ी कन हेठ लइया, पांजो जोड़े ले विच. Thank you.